2003 Mercury Sable. Come here on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and remove some bolts. Here we have an 11mm. Once you remove those two bolts, then there's just two clips. You pull it away from the dashboard. Then I have a 10mm. Let's go ahead and remove the bolts holding in the harnesses. Once that's fully loose, you just wiggle that and that'll slide out. Then there's a third one up there that's hard to see on camera. And with these three plugs, you can just unplug them, push down on the tab, slide those out. Alright, and then you slide it over these two bolts and just kind of pull. Okay, and then here, grab your plastic trim tool. Basically, you want to separate the module from the fuse box. And to do that, you just undo this clip here, as well as the one on the other side, and these two pieces will separate.